Good afternoon, students. We are doing chapter division, and in that we are doing concept 6.2 factors and multiples. Now here, the number that divides a given number exactly are called factors of that number. That means if I divide 20 divide by, suppose if I am dividing 20 by 5, so 5 is a factor of 20. In other words, the number which when multiplied gives a product is called the factors of the product. Now, if I multiply 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So, 5 into 4, they are the factors of 20. That means any numbers which when we multiply and when we get a product, any product, so the numbers which we multiplied, they are called the factors of this product. For example, 12 into 9 is 108. So 9 and 12, they are the factors of 108. The number 12, 9 and 12 are the factors of 108. The number 108 is called product of this. So these are the factors and 108 is product. We'll solve few examples here. Now, this table of 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40 and so on. Now in this, 8 into 1, so 8 and 1, they are the factors, and this 8 is a product, and they are these are factors. Now here 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So 16 is a product, and they are 8 and 2 are factors. Okay, this way you will complete this table. The product obtained when a number is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called the multiples of that number. Now any number, suppose I am taking number 2, and if I multiply this 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number, so the product what is obtained, they are the multiples of this 2. In short, if we take the table of 2, and whatever in table of 2, when we multiply the table of 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, and whatever answers we get, whatever products we get, they are the multiples of 2. Here example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, they are the multiples of 2. That means whatever answers we get in the table of 2, they are the multiples of 2. Now if you take table of 5, we get 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So all the products obtained, they are the multiples of 5. Means if you take any number 10, 20, 30, whatever number, that number when you multiply by this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you whatever answer you get, they are called the multiples of that number. Here factors of number from 1 to 10. Number 1, factors of 1 is 1. Factors of 2, now 2 comes in which all tables? 2 come in table of 1, 2 comes in table of 2. Now 3 comes in table of 1 and 3. 4, so 4 is the product. Okay, so these are all products, so they come in the table of 1 fours are 4, 2 twos are 4, and 4 ones are 4. Same way 5, so 5 comes in the table of 1 and 5. Do it come in the table of 2, 3, 4? No. So 5 comes in the table of 1 and 5. Now if you see 6 we get in the table of 1, 2 threes are 6, 3 twos are 6, 6 ones are 6. So 6 comes in which all tables? It comes in all these tables. So they are the factors. Similarly 7, 8, 9, 10. So all these are the factors of these numbers. So for 1, how many factors are there? 1 factor. For 2, there are 2 factors, 1 and 2. So there are 2 factors. 3, there are 2 factors. 4, we have 3 factors. So similarly here if you see, 6 is having 4 factors, 7, 2, 8 is having 4 factors, and 9 is having 3 factors, 10 is having 4 factors. So whatever they have done in this table, they have put it in this words. From the given table, we have observed. Now looking at this table, what we have understood, they have written in words. The number 1 has only one factor. 1 is having only one factor. The number 2, 3, 5 and 7, they are having 2 factors each. The numbers 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10, they have 3 or 4 factors, that is more than 2 factors. Okay, these are the observations they have written after looking at these two tables. The number that have only 2 factors, that is 1 and themselves, are called prime numbers. Now if you see this number 2, 3, 5, 7, so all these numbers, the number they have only 2 factors, and that is 1 and number itself. Now number itself means if I am taking this 2, the factor is 2 here. If I am taking 3, 1 and the number itself, 5, 1 and number itself. So these type of numbers, when they have the only 2 multiples, that is number 1 and the number itself. So these type of numbers are called prime numbers. The numbers that have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. So these are called composite numbers, like this: 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. They are composite numbers. That means more than 2 factors, they are composite, and 1 and the number itself, they are called prime numbers. The number 1 has only one factor, so it is neither prime nor composite. This is very important to remember, students. Now here 1, if you see, it has only one factor and the number of factors are also 1. So it is neither prime nor composite. Now to find out the prime factors, there was a scientist, great mathematician. His name was Eratosthenes. Okay, so he was a great mathematician and he had made a table. This, it is called as a sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, so what he had done, he had wrote the numbers from 1 to 100 in this table, like 1, 2, 3, 4 till 100. Next step, what he had done, he had cancelled 1 because it is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so he has cancelled this. The next number you have to circle. Now what he has done, whatever numbers comes in the table of 2, you have to cancel from this whole table. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So you go on cancelling all the numbers till 100. Now you circle now 3 is not cancelled. So after 2, 4 is cancelled. So 3 was not cancelled. So you circle this 3. Now whatever number comes in the table of 3, that you will cancel. Like 6, which is already cancelled, you will cancel 9. 9 was not cancelled, so you will cancel 9. Then it got table of 15, so 15 will get cancelled. 12 was already cancelled because it is in the table of 2. So what all numbers comes in table of 3 will go on cancelling, like 45 or whichever number. If you see your table, in 3's table, 30 is already cancelled because of it comes in the table of 2. So 27 is cancelled, 24 will get cancelled, 21 will get cancelled. So this way you will cancel all the numbers in this table. So 4 is already cancelled. We go to the next number. So you circle number 5. Whatever remaining numbers in this table, you cancel all the numbers which comes in the table of 5. Okay, 6 is already cancelled, so you go to 7. So you circle 7. Again you go and find out the table of 7. What all number comes in table of 7? You will go on cancelling those numbers, like 77. So I'll cancel 77. Then 84. I'll cancel 84. This way you will cancel all the numbers in this table, and this way you go on doing, and the whatever circles you form, they are the remaining numbers, and they all circle numbers, they are the prime numbers. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So there are total 25 prime numbers. There are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100, and these numbers are given here. Now all prime numbers except 2 are odd. So if you observe these numbers here, they all are odd numbers. They are not even. They are not even means they are not divisible by 2 except one number, and that is 2 itself. Okay, so 2 is the only even prime number, and rest of them all are odd prime numbers. Okay, we'll solve some sums. Find the factors of 16. Now how you will find the factors of 16? If you take 16, so first we will go with the table of 1. So in 1's table, do we get 16? Yes. 2's table, do we get 16? Yes. For how many times? 8 times. 3's table, 3 5s are 15. So do 16 comes? No. 4's table, yes. How many times? 4 4s are 16. 5's table 16 will come? No, because why? How you will come to know whether it will come in that table or no? Now we have studied in the previous class the divisibility rule. So when you see the divisibility rule, you will understand that whether this number comes in that table or no. Now 16 here, if you see the even one's place, it is 6, so it will come in table of 2. Whether it will come in table of 4, because the last 2 digit comes in table of 4, so it will come in table of 4. In 5's table it will go? No, because the one's place, it is not 0 or 5, so it will not come in the table of 5. So 6 table it will not go, because it is not multiplied by 2 as well as 3, so it will not go in 6 table. So this way you will find out. So 5's table it will not go, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,